Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you another one of my favourite Greggs ones, and that's cheese and onion bakes. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to RecipeThis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. If you love cheese and onion pasties and you've got access to Iceland, then we absolutely love the Greggs frozen range. When you buy from them, the baked goods are frozen, uncooked, so you're using the air fryer to defrost and then cook from frozen. So it's just brilliant for the best of both worlds. So what you need is you need your Greggs, and then of course, for lining the air fryer with, and some extra virgin olive oil spray. You can of course use egg wash, but it's quicker just to grab your spray bottle and give it a quick spray. So the air fryer I'm going to use is my Cosori, and if you want to get it out and then get into your packaging, I always seem to open these the wrong way around, but those are what the cheese and onion bakes look like. And then you just want to add a simple layer of foil to your air fryer basket. It doesn't have to be perfect or really pretty or anything. It just has to do the trick of somewhere for your pasties to sit on. So then, lay them both into the air fryer basket like that, and then give them a quick spray with olive oil. What I tend to do is, because I don't want the handle of my air fryer getting really dirty, so I'll use my left hand to give it a good spray around and rub it in, and then I'll use my right hand to close the air fryer basket. And then you're looking for temperature 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 6 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So as you can see, this is what they look like so far. So then I recommend extra spraying of oil. And look, they've absolutely kept the place on the foil as well. It's done its job. And now, back in. And we're going to be going with 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. For another 8 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So now it's time to turn them over. And then we do this because they're a bit raw on the other side. Can get stuck a little bit. And then if you look, they're a little bit a little bit raw on that side. And then just put them on again. For another 2 minutes. On the other side, for another 4 minutes on the other side at 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and then press start. And we've beeped, so let's check on our cheese and onion pasties, shall we? And wow, they look fabulous, absolutely amazing. And of course, if you take a look at them through there, you can see them. And one of the great things about flipping them is it really puffs them up, just like the kind of pasties you have when you go to a cafe. And then you can turn them back over and you've got perfectly cooked pasties. And of course, these cheese and onion bakes can be lifted out the air fryer by the foil, and it's just brilliant because take a look at that. Super clean air fryer. You don't have to worry about cleaning your air fryer, and you can, of course, if you want to, just eat the pasties directly off the foil. And these have cooled enough now that I can actually try one. Oh, and they're still lovely and warm though, but they would have really would have burnt my tongue if I'd have tried them any sooner. Oh, these are so good. This takes me back to childhood when I used to go to the bakery and my dad would give me some money to go and get us our lunches whilst I was with him whilst he was working, and I always chose a cheese and onion pasty. And honestly, these Greggs ones are brilliant. So if you want to follow the recipe for this or any of our Greggs recipes, head over to recipethis.com and search Greggs, or alternatively search pasties, because we also have a homemade recipe for this over at Recipe This too. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.